Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you are all doing great. So today you can see that we are at the 3M Car Care showroom, which is here in Kaikondrahalli on the Sarjapur road. I will share the link in the description. You can go ahead and have a check. So I brought my Dominar in to make sure that we go ahead and put a filament on the tank so that the tank does not get scratched. So I met the owner. His name is Mr. Arvind, and he has given us the permission to go ahead and take the shots. And I thank 3M for giving us the opportunity to record. And so guys, let's go directly into the showroom and see how they are doing the process. Come, let's go. So basically guys, we are going to remove this Dominar. These two logos we'll remove it completely and make sure that we stick it from here till here. So this is the process that we are doing now. So I'll just show you a quick video how they do it and what they apply on top of it, so you can have a check.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna light it up. Just like a spark that
So guys, this is the lamination which they are using. So he's taking the measurement, and based on the measurement they will go ahead and stick it to the tank. What happens is, once this is stuck, the filament is stuck to it, and if there is any sort of small mark or anything like that, it self heals by itself. So that's the best part which comes in this. Basically they are now cleaning the tank. They'll clean every single part. They've already done the cleaning, you would have seen in the video. Now they'll just clean it with the water. They'll scrub, make sure no dirt is there, and then they'll go ahead and apply it.
can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up, baby. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna light it up.
They have completed the work. This is how it looks now. So they have done it in a very good way. So they completed the tank completely, and this is how they've done. They have not removed this. They have just laminated on top of this, and they have flick the tamper over here. They have stick the tamper over here and over here, and the work is done. So no more scratches on the tank. So that work is done. So guys, they have done the lamination, so I don't need to get tensed now about this tank, thinking of it getting scratched. So I was very much concerned about the tank, because normally we keep so many stuffs on the tank and it tends to get scratched. I have another plan. I'm not sure if I'll do that. I would like to, stick the carbon fiber sticker on this black, just to make sure that this does not get scratched. But not now. Let's see. Down the line we'll see. So that's all, guys. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching the video. As I always say, take care, ride safe, God bless you. Bye bye.